I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these wavy columns. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot. You work a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 2. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to half double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. So you're going to half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn, and you're going to work in this very first stitch and make a half double crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I've worked across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to make a half double crochet in the first stitch. Now I'm going to make a triple crochet, so yarn around the hook 2 times, and I'm not going to work in this stitch. I'm going to go to the row below and I'm going to work around that stitch. So pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and that is a triple crochet. So I'm going to make 2 more triple crochet. So come down to that row, under that stitch, pick up the yarn, then pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now 1 more right here. Yarn around the hook 2 times, come down to the row below, around the back of that stitch, and pick up the yarn, and then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And there's my 3 triple crochet. And now I'm going to half double crochet in the next stitch, and to check for which stitch you should work into, you can look on the back, count 1, 2, 3 to equivalent to those 3 triples. So here's going to be my half double, like that. And I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to make 3 triple crochet here. So yarn around the hook 2 times. There's the stitch I should work into. Come down to the row below, behind that stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. In the next stitch, make another triple crochet, and 1 more. Come down to that row below and work a triple crochet. Like that. And again, I'm going to make a half double, and you can count 1, 2, 3. So make a half double crochet in the next stitch. And I'm going to repeat that. Yarn around the hook 2 times. I'm not working in here. Come down below, pass behind the stitch, pull the yarn through, then pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I'm going to do 2 more. I would have worked in that stitch, come down to here, and complete the triple. 1 last triple, not here, come down here, and a half double crochet in the last stitch. And there's the first row. Chain 1 and turn, half double crochet, in each stitch across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I half double crocheted in each stitch all the way across the row, chain 1 and turn, half double crochet in that very first stitch. And now we make 3 triples again. Yarn around the hook 2 times, come down to that triple crochet and work a triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times, come down to the next triple, complete a triple crochet. 1 more, like that, and half double crochet in the next stitch. And we're going to repeat that across the row. Yarn around the hook twice, go under the triple, and complete a triple crochet. Like that. And you're just going to keep repeating that row. And that will give you an indentation between each of these columns of wavy stitches. And the other side looks like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.